The government system of a country provides the essential framework for organizing society, making crucial decisions, and delivering vital services to its citizens. In democratic nations like the United States, this framework is built upon three main branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. These branches are designed with checks and balances to prevent any single entity from accumulating excessive power, ensuring a balanced governance. This foundational system originated from the U.S. Constitution, which was ratified on September 17, 1787, meticulously outlining these governmental structures. The legislative branch, primarily embodied by Congress in the U.S., holds the critical responsibility of creating laws. It comprises two chambers: the House of Representatives, with 435 members apportioned by population serving two-year terms, and the Senate, consisting of 100 members, two from each state, who serve six-year terms. Congress manages the federal budget, declares war, and regulates commerce, overseeing vast financial allocations. For instance, the federal budget for fiscal year 2023 was approximately $6.1 trillion, funding everything from defense to social programs. The executive branch, led by the president, is tasked with enforcing these laws. The president is elected every 4 years via the Electoral College and can serve a maximum of 2 terms, as established by the 22nd Amendment in 1951. Supported by a cabinet of 15 department heads, the executive branch oversees crucial agencies like the FBI and EPA. This branch also manages foreign policy, including treaties and domestic operations, commanding a military with over 1.3 million active duty personnel as of 2023. The judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court, interprets laws and ensures their constitutionality. Comprising 9 justices appointed for life since 1789, the Supreme Court plays a pivotal role in legal precedent. Landmark cases, such as Marbury versus Madison in 1803, established the principle of judicial review, profoundly shaping legal interpretation. Lower federal courts handle approximately 300,000 cases annually, addressing a wide range of legal matters. Elections serve as the democratic mechanism for accountability, allowing citizens to choose their representatives. In the U.S., federal elections occur every 2 years for Congress and every 4 years for the president. Voter turnout averages around 60% in presidential elections, reaching 66.6% in 2020, demonstrating significant public engagement. Primaries and caucuses select candidates, and the system typically uses first-past-the-post voting. Governments also provide essential public services vital for societal function and well-being. In healthcare, programs like Medicare, covering 65 million elderly and disabled since 1965, and Medicaid, assisting 80 million low-income individuals, cost $1.4 trillion in 2023. Education is funded through public schools, serving 50 million K-12 students, and federal aid like Title I, providing $18 billion annually. Infrastructure includes 4 million miles of roads and 617,000 bridges, with significant investments like the 2021 Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, allocating $1.2 trillion over 5 years. Economically, governments regulate markets, collect taxes, and manage monetary policy through central banks like the Federal Reserve, established in 1913. U.S. federal revenue reached approximately $4.4 trillion in 2023, with about 50% derived from income taxes. They also address unemployment, which was 3.8% in the U.S. in 2023, and inflation through fiscal policies. Such policies include significant stimulus measures, like the $5.9 trillion in relief provided during the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic. Understanding these intricate systems helps us appreciate how governments strive to create stable and prosperous societies for all.